Stand by. Finish, unload, show clear. If clear, slide forward, hammer down, and holster. Alright, range is clear, 987. Two everywhere. All alphas. Alright. Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Finish, unload, show clear. If clear, slide forward, hammer down, and holster. Range is clear, 2317.
Up. I'll figure it out when I get there.
Alright, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Finish, unload, show clear. Clear, slide forward, hammer down, and holster. Alright, range is clear, 1648. Whoa, watch out.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, all good.
That's going to be the only all alphas stage that I shoot today.
Alright, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Finish, unload, show clear. Clear, slide forward. Hammer down, holster. Range is clear, 2462.
Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by. Time 350. Good. Well, you got a Charlie in that.
Yeah, 1 Charlie, 5 Alpha.
Damn.
I think that first shot I pulled.
Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. Oh, sorry, wrong button.
Oh, you gotta hit review first and then you can hit start.
Review. And then, okay. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Time 516. 516.
Shot him in the ear. I guess that counts for something.
Yeah.
Only if it's the president.
I know,
Yeah.
I was going to say you trumped him.
That's how trumped him. Well, but I also put 2 in his chest, so that should do something.
Yeah, that's true. Spinning that way, this way.
I'm gonna go that way.
Okay. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. Fuck. Sorry. Review. There you go. Shooter ready.
Yeah.
Stand by. I quit. Is it?
It's you gotta hit review after the string, and then the start button works.
That's the one I have. One my guy.
Yeah.
You got it. Stand by. Four, 6-3, 4-6-3.
Not great, but Not bad.
2. You go.
2 Alpha, Alpha
One
Charlie, Alpha no, Alpha Charlie,
Alpha Charlie.
2 Alpha.
5 Alpha, 1 Charlie.
Actually, you let him one.
2 Alpha, 1 Charlie, 3 Alpha.
This one, I think you dropped 1.
Yeah, drop 1. Yep. Cool.